Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Fight Podcast for Ben Askren versus Jake Paul. बहुत टाइम के बाद आई थिंक हम बॉक्सिंग के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. बाय द वे मेरे साथ हैं मेरे दोस्त नीहज
हेलो
एंड अर्नव.
हेलो गाइस.
वैसे मुझे याद है लास्ट टाइम हमने माइक टाइसन वर्सेस रॉय जोन्स जूनियर जब हुआ था तब डिस्कस किया था एंड मैं अपलोड करने वाला था फिर लेकिन आई डिडंट फील कि वी हैड इनफ मटेरियल एंड इवन टाइम इतना नहीं था. आई गॉट बिजी एंड फिर वी कुडंट डू इट. बट वन इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग फ्रॉम दैट कार्ड, उस कार्ड में भी जेक पॉल फाइट किया था एंड मुझे याद है यूनानिमसली वी जस्ट बिलीव्ड कि जेक पॉल वुड बीट द बास्केटबॉल एथलीट था ना ये.
या NBA एथलीट शिकागो बुल्स फॉरवर्ड
Yes.
शिकागो बुल्स.
यूनानिमसली
NBA athlete.
डिसाइड किया था अपन ने. आई डोंट रिमेंबर में.
आई गेस अर्नव उस टाइम पे नहीं था, स्नेहा जवार में तो थे.
अच्छा.
I remember. And then Jake Paul eventually actually knocked him out. Probably उसके करियर में आगे जाके जेक पॉल ने अगर कुछ किया भी नहीं, he'll always be able to showcase that KO which he got. I believe in round 2 if I remember right. वैसे before we discuss more about Jake Paul, I want to say I'm a very big fan of Ben Askren. इवेंचुअली अर्नव की वजह से ही मुझे पता चला था कि वो कौन है. जो रोगन पॉडकास्ट में भी आया था, वहां से फिगर आउट किया था कि ओके दिस गाय आल्सो डज एमएमए. एंड बेन एस्क्रिन का सिग्नेचर एमएमए करियर में ये रहा था कि ही वाज नॉट एग्जैक्टली स्ट्राइकर. वो स्ट्राइकिंग स्किल्स को ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीटली डिसरिगार्ड कर रहा था एंड मेजरली उसका जो मेन स्किल सेट था दैट वाज हिज रेसलिंग. इनफैक्ट it was not MMA which was his prime athletic career as such. Ben Askren का अगर आप लोग रिकॉर्ड देखोगे एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि प्लीज जाके देखना, उसका रेसलिंग करियर हैज बीन वेरी डेकोरेटेड. 2005 में बेन एस्क्रेन वन पैन अमेरिकन चैंपियनशिप, 2008 में नेशनल चैंपियनशिप जीता था, 2009 में वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप जीता था, 2008 में ही ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंटेड हिमसेल्फ इन ओलंपिक्स एंड even like NCAA Division 1 wrestler. He was there since 2004 to 2007. And this is just his wrestling year related stuff. But he has also won World Grappling Championship. Olympics में he eventually like lost and उसका ऐसा story है कि he was a major folk style wrestler. उसका whole career was folk style wrestling में ज़्यादा oriented. And even Ben Askren, when he talks about his career, he says कि he was not the most explosive, which is very evident. And ऐसा नहीं था कि वो उसका reflexes बहुत अच्छा था. He used to tell कि other wrestlers were able to outmaneuver him during training. But eventually he was working with his trainers in order to figure out a way which will work for him, for his type of body, for his type of movements. And even एक बहुत interesting story था. अभी लोगन पॉल का podcast में Ben Askren गया था. Now there he discussed it कि उसके जो opponents थे, they studied his footages. They were asking कि अपना training footages दिखा सकता है क्या or something like that. And they used to tell him कि you are doing everything wrong. You are doing everything wrong and yet you are able to beat such high level competition. How is it possible? And that's something we can credit for his creativity. He has been very unique in approach of any competition. Like competitively उसने folk style wrestling को बहुत change किया था उसके career में. His wrestling style itself was being called as funky, and that's also eventually इसका MMA में जो middle name होता है, tag name, became funky. And somewhere ये जो उसका wide range of wrestling experience था MMA में उसको बहुत help किया because he was 18-0 undefeated in MMA before he came to UFC. 17 before coming to UFC and फिर एक और मैच जीता था. इनफैक्ट अगर उसका बस करियर देखे, he fought 3 professional fights in MMA and eventually joined Bellator. Bellator में he became the welterweight champion. उसने 4 बार टाइटल को डिफेंड किया एंड बहुत लोग सोच रहे थे कि he'll come to UFC directly. इवन वो UFC में आना चाह रहा था बट थोड़ा सा टसल था between him and Dana White. And Dana White का एक फेमस लाइन है कि he would rather watch flies than watch Ben Askren fight, something like that. And eventually like something happened कि he was trying to move out of Bellator. He already severed the relationship there and UFC rejected him, so he had to move to One Championship. One Championship में भी उसने welterweight championship जीता he was able to defend it 3 times, and he was undefeated. And eventually, he KO'd Shinya Aoki and retired. He had a happy retirement. सब लोगों को लग रहा था कि this guy just retired undefeated. That's something very unusual. अभी recently Khabib ने भी वही किया, and you know how much of a regard he has. Obviously, Ben Askren UFC में कभी आया नहीं था तब तक, and that was one thing people were thinking. अच्छा, इसके career में it will be a downfall, ऐसा black mark. But he was okay with it, and he's generally he's very okay with himself, even if he's uncomfortable. ऐसा लोगों को लगे कि वो cringy है, he doesn't pay heed to it too much. And eventually Joe Rogan, like, इसका story became more popular through Joe Rogan podcast. When he came there, Joe Rogan उसके बाद भी बहुत बार कह रहा था कि Ben Askren could have done a lot in UFC. जैसे वो undefeated था, you never know, he could have won the championship in UFC also. And Ben Askren versus GSP, ऐसे सब talks बहुत सारे चल रहे थे. And Ben Askren was able to sell himself well also. Eventually, Dana White decided कि let's do a trade. Demetrius Johnson, जो अभी recently one championship में fight किए थे, he can be considered as the greatest flyweight of all time. UFC में he had just lost to Henry Cejudo at that time, and UFC decided कि let's just make a trade. DJ को वहाँ पे भेजते हैं one championship में, and one championship से Ben Askren को लेते हैं. And there is slight debate कि Ben Askren was out of his prime, and it's kind of evident from how his career went after that. He had made a statement during his joining press conference, first press conference जब हुआ था, तो he said कि probably Dana एक साल बाद सोचेगा कि Ben Askren आया, 3 बार फाइट किया, तीनों में हारा and निकल गया, ha, something like that. And it was like a forecasting, almost forecasting, because वो उसका जो first fight था Robbie Lawler के साथ, उसमें Robbie Lawler was able to just pick him and slam him down, and almost लोगों को लगा था कि मैच तो खत्म हो गया. But Ben Askren showed his toughness. वो उठा, he was able to somehow take Robbie Lawler into a compromised position जहाँ पे he tried a bulldog choke, and result was controversial. Ben Askren जीता, but लोगों को लग रहा था कि मैच जल्दी stop हो गया. Robbie Lawler was still awake, something like that. And eventually ये तो सबको पता होगा, Jorge Masvidal versus Ben Askren हुआ, and there was a lot of trash talk, lot of build up, and most लोगों को यही fight याद है Ben Askren का, कि जैसे ही fight start हुआ, fight end हो गया. 5 seconds is what it took officially. Jorge Masvidal landed a very brutal flying knee, and that was his first loss in his career. मैं जब ये मैच देख रहा था, मुझे ऐसा फीलिंग आ रहा था कि बेन एस्क्रेन वापस उठ जाएगा जैसे रॉबी लॉलर में हुआ. बट ऑब्वियसली आफ्टर अ सेकंड आई रियलाइज कि ब्रो, हिज अनडिफीटेड करियर इज गॉन. ही इज नो लॉन्गर द सेम गाय. एंड प्रॉप्स टू बेन एस्क्रेन, ही टुक इट क्वाइट वेल, बट इट वाज वेरी क्लियर कि ही वाज नॉट एग्जैक्टली इन हिज प्राइम, बिकॉज उसका जो नेक्स्ट वाला फाइट था डेमियन माया के साथ, obviously Damian Maia is one of the best ground fighters in welterweight division, but still Ben Askren was not able to do a lot. Like Damian Maia was able to reverse the positions, eventually was able to submit him with just one arm में उसने RNC मारा. But interestingly, अगर तुम लोग Ben Askren का boxing in MMA ढूंढोगे तो you will find कि most of the boxing was done in this fight only, Damian Maia वाला. Which is a lot. He was able to dominate a lot of people on the ground. He's also defeated Douglas Lima, जो अभी Bellator का welterweight champion है. And obviously that time Douglas Lima was not exactly in his prime, but we don't know. Ben Askren का we can't disregard. एक point of time के बाद, at least I believe कि you can't disregard the guy's fighting style, because even though he didn't have striking in his resume, going 18-0 undefeated is a huge deal. Obviously UFC में late आया, all those things happen, but for a fighter to have such a record, even Habib का देखेंगे, Habib का तो obviously 29-0 है, which is much more, and he has much more greater wins, but you can't just say that this guy is one dimensional or something like that, because he is able to dominate so many people. And somewhere, लेकिन जो होरिया मासुडाल का फाइट जैसा एंड हुआ, इट वाज क्लियरली द ओनली थिंग विच पीपल रिमेम्बर्ड. उसके अभी भी पोस्ट में जाओगे तो 2-3 फ्लाइंग नी का पोस्ट तो मिलेगा ही. एंड somehow it took Jake Paul for people to recognize कि this guy is not that bad as a person. At least that's something we can credit Jake Paul for. वैसे if I have to talk about Jake Paul, I believe I would not be the best person to introduce him. So he's quite disliked by a lot of people. He's very famous. He's a very famous YouTuber. But उसका in general persona जो है लोगों को पसंद नहीं आता. And probably I think Sneha's better person होगा उसके बारे में बताने के लिए, as in how he grew and all.
Yeah. Like the thing is, मैं बहुत YouTube देखता हूँ and he is kind of universally mocked on YouTube actually, Jake Paul. उसका like so he's actually Logan Paul's brother. Logan Paul used to be more famous than him. अभी वो दोनों almost same levels of say fame है, enjoy करते basically. Like Logan Paul used, I think these are all Disney kids. Like I say, they got famous through Vine and they made
Vines पे वजह से, right?
Yeah, because I
वाइन्स में लोगन पॉल फेमस है.
yes
जेक पॉल जो बोल रहा है उसके हैं वो डिज्नी से ही है. कौन से शो था उसका?
अच्छा.
there were a bunch of new shows. मतलब जो अपन टीवी देखना छोड़ दिया था तब की बात है. वो तभी ऐसा like he was in some kids show, Disney show. So ऐसा and then like he decided to take YouTube seriously, I guess. Vines बंद हो गया था. He tried a few Vines. They were not that entertaining. Logan Paul was the more famous one on Vines. Actually तभी इन दोनों का उतना positive opinion नहीं था कि like they were fun fun videos बनाते हैं and all that. Logan Paul's Vines, some of them are like the one of the best of the platform. वो ऐसा इतना 4 साल ही चला था ना Vines, 4 या 5 साल.
अभी चला था but लोगन
what is definitely one of the good creators or like one of the most successful from there actually वही है सबसे most अभी him and King Bach ऐसे 2-3 लोग बोल सकते हैं. Yeah, मतलब these are people who did not, like I say, बाकी जो creators है after this thing Vine shut down, they had to like revamp themselves through YouTube or something. These guys did not really need that. वो लोग वैसे भी famous थे like Instagram and all that. And Jake Paul is relatively new at that time. And like वो ऐसा एक I remember उसका first explosion to fame was this rap music this guy made. Him and his friends, bro. Like I say, it's got some amazing lines like England is my city.
I remember.
The song is titled It's Everyday Bro. It's like basically it's everyday bro. It's everyday bro. And like I say, it's a common उसका like अभी ये क्या बोलते हैं, it had become his tagline. It's everyday bro ऐसा. And like so like ऐसे उस टाइम पे ऐसा उसको नोटिस करने लगे. And even then he was very mocked ऐसे. वो और उसके vlog मतलब and like they all vlog together. These all of them who were there in the music video, these all vlog together ऐसा. और like ऐसे Jake Gang or something, I don't know. But like ऐसे उसने like तब से उसका ऐसा behavior रहा है. Like he'll do something outrageously wild and stupid or then people will mock him. Like ऐसे यही रहा है. Like he's been a heel, you could say, in the YouTube universe ऐसा for a long time. As like I say, after this and all, like news started coming out that he's like actually very reckless. ये और इसके दोस्त लोग ऐसे एक ऐसा quiet like they have rented some house in some rich neighborhood and like everyone else wants them to be quiet, but these people party like crazy or something like that. So like he's been in trouble like ऐसे पूरा time ऐसा police were involved and all that. So like I say, he did not really have a very clean ऐसा personal image इससे पहले boxing के पहले. But like I think उसका boxing का career जो है, that is more of a win for him.
Yes.
ऐसे
very right. Actually ऐसा लोग comparison देते हैं कि लोगन पॉल का actually ज़्यादा controversies हुआ है उसके life में.
Yeah, like ऐसे
suicide forest था. अभी लोग बहुत
अरे like because the thing is even after being involved in boxing, this guy Jake Paul will do some stupid stuff, bro. Like I say, but like his real life is very, मतलब real life में जो भी हरकतें करता है, it's very stupid. ऐसे and he falls back into that pattern कि like ऐसे he'll do something, like ऐसे लोग उसको criticize करेंगे, mock करेंगे इसके लिए, and then he'll be like haters and all that. वो उसका like ऐसे literal ऐसा real life, like he'll do some like ऐसे weird shit, bro. There's this YouTuber called Codico or something. Codico और Noel Miller उसके ऊपर एक वीडियो बनाया था कि like Jake Paul is cringy and all that. Then Jake Paul, what he does is, इसका कोई दोस्त है and he has his own YouTube channel. In that ऐसा he's basically a barber. उसके शॉप में ऐसे फेमस यूट्यूबर्स आते हैं और वो लोग वैसे कटिंग लाइक हेयर कट करते टाइम ही उसके साथ ऐसे बात करते हैं, वो लाइक बेसिकली दैट्स हिज कंटेंट. तो इसमें कोडिको को बुलाया एंड देन कोडिको शोज अप देयर and then पीछे से all of a sudden Jake Paul blasts in. He's like we're gonna confront him because he's been bullying people. ऐसे चीजें करता है, ऐसे हरकतें करता है. It's like ऐसे he's made a whole video about it, like confronting Codico about bullying and all that. तो ऐसे and then Codico is like just sitting there like when did I bully you? So that's what like ऐसे उसके ये YouTube
काइंड ऑफ वो अभी भी बहुत इमेच्योर है एंड उनका लाइक ब्रदरली रिलेशनशिप भी थोड़ा सा ऐसा था कि
अबे वो भी वॉलेटाइल है, हिज ब्रदर लाइक हिज रिलेशनशिप विद हिज ब्रदर
वही
वो भी बहुत वॉलेटाइल है.
लोग मल्टीपल डिस्ट्रैक्ट सब किया एक दूसरे के बारे में
नहीं दैट आई बिलीव
फन ऑब्वियसली.
हां वही but like I say Logan Paul in general he's like matured and like I say he's got his shit straight recently. Yeah.
उसका मैंने एक वो देखा था वन ऑफ पॉडकास्ट, तो उसमें काफी इंसाइटफुल लग रहा था मुझे.
हां
like I say
Logan Paul मैच्योर हो गया लेकिन Jake Paul अभी भी बच्चा है.
Right.
That's what people say.
And I think this podcast is very healthy for him, Logan Paul also. Like I say
actually
वो ऐसा बहुत अच्छे इन लोगों से इंटरेक्ट कर रहा है and all that.
Right. Very popular people like Mike Tyson का मैंने सुना था उसको.
Yeah, and we were discussing in his previous Nate Robinson वाला अपन ने जो एपिसोड किया था,
लेकिन हमने वो कभी पोस्ट नहीं किया. That's the thing, so लोगों को नहीं पता है.
Oh, okay. Basically what we said was कि Jake Paul has his boxing career और वो उसको seriously लेगा तो it could be like his thing, like how Logan did the podcast and got his shit straight. Boxing could be his thing ऐसा, and like I still think it's that way और वो बहुत seriously ले रहा obviously. ये सब
वैसे मुझे याद है मैंने भी लाइक जेक पॉल को ऐसे प्रॉपर्ली नोटिस तभी किया था जब लोगन पॉल वर्सेस केएसआई 1 हुआ था. आई रिमेंबर कि मुझे केएसआई कौन था पता था, लोगन पॉल कौन है पता था, एंड आई वाज काइंड ऑफ लाइक वाओ दिस इज समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग एंड दैट वाज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द YouTube boxing era.
हाँ yes bro. The thing is I know all this through PewDiePie इन पे बहुत ऐसा वीडियोस बनाया है because these people have mocked him और ये ऐसा उस पे रिएक्ट करेगा. Like whenever the Paul brothers mock you, right, it's not that like you don't really have to put an effort to basically वही वीडियो को रिएक्ट करेगा ना, it will be 10 times funnier than what he made ऐसा. So it's free content basically. तो ऐसा like whenever you are involved with Logan Paul you have free content और वो लोग देखेंगे and like they'll appreciate you for this because they're clowned ऐसा probably ऐसा था. And like PewDiePie ने ऐसा इसको extensively cover किया था. He even reacted to their ऐसा क्या बोलते हैं उसको veins bro. क्योंकि veins were funny bro, very funny. Like ऐसे this guy Logan Paul and KSI look ऐसे एकदम serious about the fight. Then Jake Paul comes in, he's like fit, he's in shape and all that. And then bro Deji walks in bro, he's fucking overweight, उसको पेट आया है and like ऐसे and then Logan Paul PewDiePie बोलता है ऐसे कि bro what Deji you've been drinking beer all this time. ऐसा हुआ था. And like that from then on we knew कि ये दोनों थोड़ा serious है उसके बारे में, Logan Paul and Jake Paul. Like eventually they went pro and Logan Paul lost and उसके बाद से he hasn't fought. Has he even talked about fighting again? Logan?
Yeah, he's fighting Floyd Mayweather.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
He's planning to fight Floyd Mayweather. वो जब भी होगा, I don't think I'll cover it. I'll just notify.
They are fighting. They're not planning to fight. The fight is a done deal.
It got postponed एक बार, and अभी Henry Cejudo कह रहा था कि he'll fight Mayweather, and Ali Abdulaziz भी कह रहा था कि it's confirmed, all those things. I don't know. It's kind of like
Jake Paul बहुत loud हो रहा था सोशल मीडिया पे. He wanted to fight McGregor and उसका मेन रीजन यही था कि उसका बड़े भाई को सबसे बड़ा फाइट मिला था the biggest
Yes.
fight you can get is to fight for WWE. सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा उसी में है, कम डैमेज उसमें है, basically it's a dream fight. उसके बड़े भाई का वो मिल गया ना, तो he thought कि चल second part सबसे बड़ा fight क्या है, उसमें शायद से McGregor
ब्रो मैं बोलूँ क्या करने का put Jake Paul, Logan. It will be fun to watch them fight Mike Tyson. It's a fair fight in my opinion, bro.
ऐसा handicap match.
handicap ना,
handicap.
Okay. वो तो WWE हो जाएगा, हो भी जाएगा शायद WWE में.
एक बार में दो लोग
AEW में
भी ये थोड़ा one sided हो सकता है.
Bro, they should have a slapping contest with Mike Tyson. Bas.
I think they'll lose that also. No,
Of course
no
they'll lose,
offense.
Nah, of course, bro.
Offense
Tyson
क्या
को
उसको
थप्पड़
जाके
मारेगा.
Mike Tyson ने हो चुकी है.
अच्छा, let me recap a little bit.
Yeah.
मुझे याद है KSI versus Joe Weller हुआ था and KSI won that. उसके बाद Logan Paul was like I'll fight KSI. वो उसके घर पे यहाँ कहीं पे गया था. They got it signed. And तभी Jake Paul versus Deji भी हुआ. And like Snesh ने बोला कि Deji was slightly overweight, but he was still able to make Jake Paul bleed. And लोगों को लग रहा था just because like obviously they are kind of not fans of the sport as such. So they looked at Jake Paul getting bloodied and they thought कि Jake Paul तो क्या, he's bleeding, he lose.
Yeah.
But eventually Jake Paul was able to tire out Deji and win the match.
One-sided fight
And even though it is amateur fight, it's like kind of testament
Bro,
कि he was able to do that.
नहीं bro, काफी one-sided. As much as I remember, काफी one-sided था उसको. Deji was
क्या?
so
Deji वाला?
हाँ बे.
Deji का जो सीन है, like ऐसे, if you guys have, मतलब मेरे को Deji, I know Deji only because of this fight. Like even though I know KSI for like more than 10 years ऐसा, but Deji मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं पता था until this fight. I knew that KSI का एक भाई है Deji, वो ऐसा कुछ FIFA videos बनाता रहता है, ऐसा कुछ तो चुतिया. But like I did not know कि he was like ऐसा इतना famous था वो. और वो like and I like really did not follow up on him till the fight. But like fight के बाद fight we saw वो बहुत अजीब सा था. Fight उसके बाद like ऐसे the next time I like knew something about Deji, it was through एक YouTube video जिसमें वो Deji के बारे में बात कर रहा था. Like Deji is not really a ऐसा motivated person या फिर ऐसा like he's kind of an asshole. He's done like ऐसे उसका personal life बहुत अजीब सा है. And like even like उस वीडियो में I remember like ऐसे उसने boxing वाला part cover किया था. Like वो boxing में बिल्कुल ऐसा uninterested था. He was not even training. He was slacking. वो हाँ, and then KSI has been on record later saying कि Deji को बहुत कुछ ऐसे try किया कि उसको like to help him with what like ऐसे उसका YouTube career and boxing career के साथ उसको बहुत help किया था. And like he's like we even offered him to stay rent free उसके घर पे ऐसा like वो लोग 4 लोग जो उसके KSI के घर पे रहते
एक्चुअली उन दोनों का अगर स्टोरी बोलने जाएं तो इट्स इवन वर्स देन लोगन पॉल एंड जेक.
हाँ ब्रो बराबर.
बहुत खराब रिलेशंस था उनका. नाउ दे आर बेटर.
KSI is fine but like half the time KSI has been in trouble. It's mostly because of Deji.
Yes.
Bro,
it's a good dude. मतलब जेक से अच्छा है, थोड़ा चूतिया करता है. That's fine. सब लोग करते हैं.
हाँ, yeah. वैसे दोनों in that sense like थोड़े से like they have some issues but they rectify it and right now they are in good terms I believe.
On Deji?
Both Deji and KSI. Basically
I don't
KSI
know.
again helped him very other part of the conversation. So basically ये हुआ Jake Paul beat Deji and this was amateur bout obviously but still it was something.
स्नेच तूने वो देखा था क्या? जेक पॉल और एस्लर का जो फेस ऑफ जो वाला जेक.
हाँ फेस ऑफ में
ब्रो उसको देख एक बार फेस पाम किया और चूतिया उसको एस पे कुछ था ब्रो.
हाँ
तो somewhere Deji का fight we can say showed कि he can stay for some time and eventually come back to win. Like not just come back, he was able to dominate but he was able to stay for longer rounds because उसके दो next जो fights थे दोनों professional bouts जो हुए which was one against another YouTuber named Aniston Gibb and ये like सब लोग ऐसे hype कर रहे थे कि this guy can beat him, not exactly for any other reason but ऐसे ही talk था and he eventually fought him and he knocked him out in one round only. 3 बार उसको knock down किया एक ही round में, and they declared it as a TKO victory. मुझे याद है ये दोनों, आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू एग्जैक्टली वॉच विद ऑडियो, मैं ऐसे ऑफिस में था एंड उस टाइम पे ये सब हुआ. सेम विद नेट रॉबिन्सन, उसका जो नेक्स्ट फाइट हुआ, ये वी कैन से वाज स्लाइटली बेटर बिकॉज दिस वाज एन एक्चुअल एथलीट, NBA player, and Jake Paul said he was a fan of this guy and all those things, but eventually in 2 rounds he was able to knock him out, and in fact ये KO became quite viral because ये अभी भी बहुत लोग ऐसे दिखाते हैं. People were comparing him with Muhammad Ali for this because उसने वो पोज किया or something like that. So among casual audience, Jake Paul का rise जो है, we can say happened due to this KO.
Yeah.
People thought yes, this guy is legit. And Logan Paul in general उसके भाई का करियर इतना अच्छा नहीं गया. He eventually lost to KSI in the first professional bout which he had. Not that it matters because he's fighting Mayweather आगे जाके. But Jake Paul के करियर में still we can say, even though like he has not fought any good competition, he has very good power. Yes, KO power. And so ये point of comparison रहा है दोनों का कि Ben Askren, even though he has so many accomplishments, उसका एक criticism is कि he was never a good striker. In fact Demian Maia का जो fight मैंने बोला जहाँ पे most of his boxing मिला, जो लोगों को याद है दैट इज कि उसने एक स्पिनिंग बैक फिस्ट फेंका था व्हिच वाज वे आउट ऑफ द लाइन. एंड टू जेक पॉल्स क्रेडिट, ऑब्वियसली ही हैज शोन वेरी गुड बॉक्सिंग स्किल्स एंड ट्रेनिंग भी बहुत कर रहा है, एंड ही लुक्स सीरियस एंड डिटरमाइंड. बट दिस डिलेमा यहाँ पे है कि वन गाय इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी गुड कम्पिटिटर जो ओलंपिक्स में भी जाके कम्पीट करके आ चुका है. ही इज वन MMA टाइटल्स इन 2 different organizations. जो भी हो, like it's not like उसके opponents उसको easy takedowns दे रहे थे. They were still trying to, जब भी time मिल रहा था, they were trying to knock him out only, and he was still able to take those strikes. In fact ऐसा एक compilation ही है अगर YouTube में जाके check करोगे जहाँ पे Ben Askren took very heavy strikes and still walked forward. Even Robbie Lawler वाला fight जहाँ पे he was rocked very badly, he was dropped on his like slam था बहुत proper wala, still he was able to come out of it, take the strikes, come back, take Robbie down, all those things. So Jake Paul, even though he has a very good power, Ben Askren compensated that in terms of his toughness is what I believe. He has a good chin even though he has a knockout master dal wala, but we can say वो वाला knockout ऐसा था कोई भी उसके position में होता and उसको strike लगता तो he would have been knocked out. I don't think any guy would have the chin to hold that strike. That's personal opinion obviously, but interesting part here is Jake Paul is obviously very very strong, and also he's also, we can say he has that toughness in him. We don't know how long it will last, and in the excitement in this fight is, can Ben do something जब अब तक उसका जैसा करियर रहा है, can he try something which will be in his advantage and he can win the fight. जैसे Chael Sonnen जो बोलता है कि Ben Askren is not coming to box, even though everyone will tell you it's a boxing match, he's coming to compete. He will show his competitive spirit, and that might be the difference between the winner and the loser. In fact, I want to bring one more point here. KSI versus Logan Paul 2 में Logan Paul was clearly the better boxer. He was throwing nice jabs. He was able to knock KSI down with a very clean uppercut. And सबको लगा था उस point के बाद से probably Logan Paul will take this. But KSI was ruthless and he was trying to put the pressure. Logan Paul was trying to avoid him. Eventually aggressiveness won and decision went like very close. एक point deduction ऐसा कुछ हुआ था that made it decisive for KSI. अगर वो नहीं होता तो it would have been draw, ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. So that is something I also think ये fight में हो सकता है. Let me go towards a prediction only. Before I give my prediction, what do you think, Arnav and Sneha?
Sneha तो बोल दे.
हाँ तो like we've seen this guy Jake fight 2 times now, और वो and it's been convincing enough. Anderson Gibb तो चल ठीक है, he was a YouTuber and he was just another social media celebrity, like ऐसे कोई serious boxer नहीं था, and like it was clearly seen कि इन दोनों में level difference है, massive level difference है, and like this guy is more in that environment than Anderson. And second time we came, he fought against another athlete, Nate Robinson, and like ऐसा छोटा मोटा नहीं है, he's been like he's played a season for Chicago Bulls, तो ऐसा he's respectable levels of like athleticism है उसका, and like जब fight हुआ तो ऐसा it was this guy was stumbling all over the place, Nate. It's like it's memed, पूरा ऐसा बहुत meme किया हुआ है, like ऐसे I think they even compared it to some ऐसे कार्टून, मेरे को लगता है कोई कार्टून सीन के साथ कंपेयर किया था, like it was that ridiculous कि वो बंदा like level difference, like and then this guy is going up against Ben Askren जिसका अपन ने boxing like ऐसे आई थिंक कंटिन्यूस 10 सेकंड का एक बार भी नहीं देखा होगा हमने उसको बॉक्स करते हुए, तो ऐसा इट्स काइंड ऑफ ऑब्वियस टू से कि ये जेक विल विन, एंड बट लाइक ऐसे आई डोंट नो व्हाट बेन एस्क्रेन हैज बीन डूइंग, आई हैवंट रियली फॉलोड दिस फाइट, ऐसे उसका प्री फाइट स्टफ अब तक फॉलो नहीं किया है, तो बट लाइक आई डोंट नो हाउ ही इज ट्रेनिंग, आई डोंट नो व्हाट हिज प्लानिंग क्या है, बट लाइक मेरा जो है, मैं like if I've seen like after having seen his 2 fights Jake, it's the answer is clear for me. I think Jake will win unless Ben pulls out something और उसका डिफेंस कुछ ज़्यादा ही सही होगा कि it goes the distance.
Right. वैसे since you brought up, he's been training with Freddie Roach part time, and उसके बाद उसके अलावा he has another team I believe, मुझे भी पूरी तरह से नहीं पता, but he was speaking to quite some of the boxers. वो रायन गार्सिया के साथ भी अभी recent podcast किया था, and there is another fighter, I don't remember the name. अच्छा, Ben Askren का training partner, I'll look it up. वैसे what do you think करना?
मेरे हिसाब से I would मेरा दिल तो बोलता है कि I want Ben Askren to win. My mind says that it might go to favor Jake Paul. The way I see Ben Askren winning would be seeing some clinch work during boxing, जहाँ पे he clinches and tries to drain him by putting weight on him, on his hands basically. So that's how he'll drain his opponent's hands. तो उसके वजह से उसका पावर कम होगा basically जेक पॉल का. तो वैसा कितना देख मतलब you have to keep a balance. अगर तू बहुत ज़्यादा वो करेगा ना, the crowd will boo you और लोग बहुत गाली भी देंगे, ठीक है.
हाँ, like even if you win with that, like लोग ऐसा convince नहीं होंगे.
You're right. मतलब लोग बहुत ये करेंगे कि तू जीता क्यों ऐसे. Even if you win like that, तो मेरे हिसाब से एस्क्रेन वो नहीं करेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीम तक नहीं जाएगा. So he has to strike a balance जहाँ पे he does enough to tire Jake Paul out and wins via decision. और एक और चीज़ है जिसमें एक physically मेरे हिसाब से I have always considered Askren to be genetically not gifted. Like he's not
dad boards type.
Yes, उसका काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं. उसका slow twitch muscles जो है वो काफ़ी अच्छा डेवलप हुआ है. Very nicely developed. मतलब one of the best maybe on this planet.
Yeah.
But उसके उतना ही खराब उसका fast twitch muscles है. So
हाँ, मतलब he is shaped like more like a bear than a या फिर ऐसा wolf या फिर fox ऐसा.
हाँ. But yeah, you're right. मतलब उसका hunting जैसा अगर बोलेगा तो bearish type है. He'll just हाँ, okay. चल उसका एनालॉजी तो सही बोल रहा था. अभी फिर एक और चीज जैसा जेक पॉल का ऐसे विनिंग मोर लाइकली जस्ट बिकॉज उसको भी ना जेक पॉल डजंट हैव टू डू मच टू विन. ऑल ही हैव टू डू इज जैब. और उसके बाद या देख ये फ्लैट फुटेड है और ये ऑब्वियसली टो पे रहता है अपना जेक पॉल. ऑल ही हैज टू डू इज जैब डिस्टेंस रखना है, मतलब वो उतना ही करके ना ही कैन डिफीट बेन एस्क्रेन. और
But do you think he'll do that? Because वो इसके साथ जब मासूडाल के साथ था, he was telling कि he wants to make a record better than 5 seconds, something like that. That's something ये जेक पॉल कह रहा था ना, उसका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में उसने बोला था.
I'm pretty certain even Jake Paul doesn't believe that. Okay, मतलब वो खुद को कन्विंस करने के लिए बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं लोग कि मैं ये करूँगा वो करूँगा, बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर वो नहीं बिलीव करता है. वो शायद ना पहले 4-5 राउंड में भी वो नहीं करेगा, ठीक है. मतलब आई एम प्रीटी श्योर वो हो गया ना, आई विल बी सरप्राइज्ड. मतलब one of the things जैसा वो मास फिटर का was 1 million वो मिलियन में एक बार होगा. वो हुआ,
Plus
हमने
वो
देखा, विटनेस किया.
घुटना था, it was not a punch.
Yes.
Hmm.
And a well connected घुटना.
Yeah, well timed, everything, मतलब
Yes.
everything fell into place for that.
Yes, yeah,
Like
one in a
that
million
moment.
basically. It doesn't happen every day. अपने को विटनेस करता मिला.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was one of those Jose Aldo Conor McGregor knockouts. तो बेसिकली ये जो चीज़ है वो हो सकता है, बट कितना कम है उसका चांसेस होने का भी ऑल नो. एंड बेटिंग ऑड्स के हिसाब से आई वुड गो विद दैट 1 in a million का चीज़. तो जेक पॉल का दिस इज द वे आई वुड सी हिम विनिंग. और एस्क्रेन का मैंने ही बोल दिया, जो क्लींच बहुत ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही जस्ट नीड्स टू हैव हेवी पंचेस एंड डैमेज जेक पॉल. मतलब वो नॉकआउट तो नहीं कर पाएगा उसको, बट उसको ये कर पाएगा, कैसे वो बूस्ट अप कर पाएगा पूरा. एंड जजेस पे इंप्रेशन पड़ेगा कि हाँ ये खाया अच्छा खासा मार. तो क्योंकि हाँ बॉक्सिंग में थोड़ा जजिंग थोड़ा है वियर्ड है थोड़ा, वो मेरे को अभी भी नहीं समझ सकता. तो
it's more of absolute than subjective ऐसा है.
हाँ
वैसे क्लिंच कितना इफेक्ट कर सकता है फाइट को?
बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब I'll tell you ना, मैंने बोला ना, अगर एस्क्रेन पूरा फाइट अगर करेगा he will win. I will bet my money on एस्क्रेन. बट मेरे को नहीं लगता है वो फाइट को इतना बोरिंग करना चाहेगा खुद से.
हाँ
ओके
ब्रो, वैसे भी उसका
वेरी रेस्पेक्टेबल पर्सन. वो इतना नहीं गिरेगा फाइट से. बेसिकली मेरा
ओके दैट्स समवेयर आई माइट डिसएग्री, बट बिफोर आई कम देयर मैं बोलना भूल गया था. बेसिकली बहुत लोग इस फाइट को एमएमए वर्सेस बॉक्सिंग की तरह सोच रहे हैं.
वैसा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है मेरे हिसाब से. लाइक ऐसे यू कांट जस्ट पिक वन एमएमए गाय एंड वन बॉक्सिंग गाय एंड दे से ये दिस सिंबलाइजेस बॉक्सिंग वर्सेस एमएमए. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कुछ.
अभी वो एरा ही नहीं है जहाँ पे वी कैन से सच थिंग्स. पहले प्रोबेबली यूएफसी 1 के टाइम पे ऐसा होता था. बट स्टिल एमएमए का कम्युनिटी सेइंग कि क्या कहते हैं, अगर बेन एस्क्रेन विंस we'll forget the Masvidal का knee, we'll start praising you. All these things
possible.
In fact अभी खुद
that is the only reason.
In fact जेक पॉल की वजह से अभी मासुडाल को लोग हेट करने लग गए because he came into the press conference का वीडियो.
I never liked him. मैं हमेशा से बोलता था थोड़ा कॉकी हो गया ज़्यादा, he's gotten into his head. अभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही दिख रहा है वो.
Bro, even like ऐसे these guys were suspecting इस पे Impulsive पे आया था कि Impulsive ही है ना उसका पॉडकास्ट.
Impulsive.
Paul Logan Paul.
Whatever. Impulsive में वो बोल रहा था कि he suspects कि this guy is taking Van Askren is taking full advantage and like gaining a clout through this fight ऐसा. That's what Logan Paul was saying. Like if it's true, it's working. ऐसा.
मेरे को वैसा लगता है. He's a very respectable guy. मेरे को Van Askren का एक चीज पसंद है कि उसका he's very serious about his work ethic, very optimistic. ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं है फेलियर्स का. वो सब अच्छी चीज़ है जो जिसकी वजह से he'll lead a longer life. मतलब वो सब चीज़ों का छोटे मोटे चीज़ है. फाइट पे इतना शायद मैटर ना करे, बट हाँ ये उसकी वजह से he makes better decisions maybe जो which could favor him in a way कि mentally when you are that positive या basically तू इतना जब कुछ खराब चीज़ों जो redundant चीज़ें उनको negate कर देता है, तो you have a more clear thought and more focused thought. तेरा mind जो है thoughts का काफ़ी clear होता है, clarity ज़्यादा होता है उसमें, तो सक्सेस रेट ज़्यादा बढ़ता है उसमें. हाँ तो राइट, तो वो चीज़ एक है.
इनफैक्ट आई एग्री हियर. मुझे मैंने जब ये देखा था, वन नैरेटिव क्लियरली कैन बी कि ही इज डूइंग इट फॉर क्लाउड, मनी एंड एक ऐसा करियर रिटायरमेंट के बाद भी एक चांस मिला. ऑल दोस थिंग्स
नहीं, वो हो सकता है. आई एग्री.
ऑल दोस थिंग्स माइट बी ट्रू. या
वो चाहिए. आई एग्री कि उसका वैसा है कि he wants to end it on a good note.
Exactly. This is what I believe also. I want to believe कि he wants to end his career on a high note. And there would not have been a better opportunity for him. MMA में अगर वापस आता, I don't think it would have worked out properly. And he also knows that. उसके last fight में he said कि I remember Ariel ने पूछा था कि will you ever come back? So he said I knew going forward कि if I would have lost this fight I would retire. It was clear in my mind. I was never questioning that. मेरा thought process is clear कि I don't want to lose 4-5 fights for me to realize कि oh I'm not good anymore. If I lose, it's clear that I'm not good anymore and I leave it out. Even Olympics में when he lost, I said ना like when they asked him, because he was a folk style wrestler and usko freestyle mein aana pada, they asked him like, was that the inexperience which made him not compete at his best? He said no, it's not that, I just sucked. And eventually freestyle में he could beat his opponent. So इसका competitive is such कि he knows the opportunity, he analyzes it, and then he decides whether it can be possible or no. And somewhere I want to respect his approach, and I think somewhere Nate Robinson was an athlete, but he was not a fighter. And Ben Askren has been fighting MMA fighters for a long time. That experience in itself might be the difference in this fight, is what I believe. वो तो फिर उसी दिन पता चलेगा ऑब्वियसली. ये फाइट जितना अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है एंड एक्साइटिंग है, आई डोंट थिंक बहुत टाइम से ऐसे फाइट्स मिले हैं बॉक्सिंग में भी और एमएमए में. अगर हम इन जनरल अभी हाइप वाइज बोले तो दिस हैज अ लॉट ऑफ हाइप.
दिस फाइट ना यूजुअली आई थिंक वुड बी वेरी बोरिंग. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है.
यस,
आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, आई एम पुटिंग इट आउट. हाइप होगा उसका काफी, आई एग्री, बट यूजुअली बोरिंग होगा जस्ट बिकॉज़ आई एम टेलिंग यू एस्क्रेन वुड ट्राई टू क्लिंच मोर.
आई गेस जिन्होंने भी एमएमए देखा है एंड बेन एस्क्रेन को देखा है, एटलीस्ट दे नो कि ये फाइट ऐसे ही जाने वाला है जैसे तूने बोला यूजुअली बोरिंग. इट्स मोर स्टिल द इंट्रिग. मुझे याद है आर्टेम लोबो वर्सेस
मालिनाजी,
पॉली मालिनाजी वाली फाइट में भी सेम था. इट्स लाइक वी न्यू कि आर्टेम हैज more of a clinch लेके कुछ करेगा तो chance, you know, because Malinaji is a boxer. But eventually when Artem won, it was still news because everyone was like, okay, this is something great, right? If Ben wins this, it will, I'm pretty sure it will still become one of those things you talk about. If Jake wins it, still it's one of those things you'll talk about. Jake तो वो narrative पक्का लेके आएगा कि he beat an MMA fighter. पता नहीं इसके बाद कभी fight करे भी या नहीं. It's a good enough accomplishment. But finally, I want to predict कि Ben Askren will be able to out-compete Jake Paul. Eventually, end of the, I don't think कोई TK होने वाला है, but later rounds में I think Ben Askren will mentally win the fight, break that boxer, his opponent. And if that happens, I'll be very happy for him. I'm also rooting for him. Agar nahi hua, it will be kind of sad, but it's not the most sad thing I've seen in this time that I've started watching combat sports. Obviously, Tony भी उसके बारे में बात कर रहा था. Freddie Roach के साथ जब ट्रेन कर रहा था, they spoke. He was saying कि he had a lot of positive interaction. I feel a lot of positivity coming out of Ben Askren का camp in general, and we may see him dominating in ways which generally we don't expect, you know. Obviously clinch में कुछ करेगा. Later he might also break him in way which we don't usually expect a fighter to do. ऐसा I think. I don't know what happens. I hope something interesting happens. If it doesn't happen also, I'll watch it. I hope every one of you watch it because it's still MMA versus boxing नहीं है ऐसे बोलेंगे तो भी it's kind of that intrigue है कहीं पे. People want to watch this boxer get beat by an MMA fighter like Ben. So let's hope for a fun weekend. इसके बाद we also have Whittaker versus Gastelum जो मैं upload करूँगा थोड़े time के बाद. Watch that also because it's Whittaker is just that good. Gastelum is some opponent he had to beat like when he had the title and eventually वो नहीं हुआ था. We'll come to that. तब तक के लिए enjoy the fights. Have fun. Bye.
चल bro.
Bye.